Watch a heavy excavator drive its steel bucket through solid rock, or a massive industrial press shape solid metal. When machines are required to move mountains or press steel, what invisible mechanism is actually doing the heavy lifting? Strip away the exterior complexity of these machines, and you'll find that they almost all rely on the same internal component, the hydraulic cylinder. It relies on a basic law of physics. Because liquids cannot be easily compressed, pressurized oil forced into a confined space translates directly into immense, highly controlled mechanical power. Modern industry relies on a massive variety of specialized machinery, but they nearly all achieve their power through this same basic mechanism. Inside, the cylinder relies on three universal components. The outer housing, called the barrel. Inside that sits the piston, and attached to the piston is the extending rod. When high-pressure hydraulic oil enters from one side, it fills the empty chamber behind the piston. With nowhere else to go, this pressurized fluid pushes the piston forward, driving the rod outward to create a massive forward thrust. This linear movement, driven entirely by fluid pressure, is how every hydraulic cylinder generates mechanical force. Engineers adapt this basic mechanic for different tasks. The simplest variation is the single acting cylinder, notable for having only one hydraulic port. Fluid pushes the rod outward, but retraction relies entirely on an external force, like an internal return spring or simply the weight of the load pushing down. This setup is ideal when powered return is unnecessary, such as hydraulic bottle jacks, heavy-duty tipper trucks, or material handling scissor lifts. By eliminating a second hydraulic line, this design reduces system complexity and cost, making it the perfect solution for gravity-assisted tasks. This technical drawing shows the double-acting cylinder, featuring a two-port design. Pressurized fluid enters one port to push the rod out. To retract, the system reverses flow, forcing fluid into the opposite port, pulling the rod back in. This active retraction is mandatory for complex machinery, like earth-moving equipment or automated industrial presses, that require precise, powered positioning in both directions. When absolute, bidirectional control over a heavy load is non-negotiable, double-acting cylinders are the industry standard. When equipment requires extreme reach within restricted space, the solution is the telescopic hydraulic cylinder. Built with a nested sleeve design, pressurized fluid causes these stages to extend sequentially, allowing massive stroke lengths from a compact base. Telescopic designs elegantly solve the architectural problem of requiring extreme reach within physically restricted machinery frameworks. Determining the internal mechanics is only step one. The exterior construction must also match the workload. Manufacturers choose between easily serviceable tie rod designs for factories and heavy-duty, permanent welded bodies for harsh outdoor environments. These components require extreme manufacturing tolerances. To guarantee safety, industrial units are tested up to 700 bar of pressure before they ever leave the floor. A hydraulic cylinder is only as reliable as the precision engineering and zero-defect manufacturing protocols behind it. Fiable Hydraulics is a precision engineering company that custom builds exact solutions, any bore, any stroke, any pressure, for industrial OEMs. Strategically located in Chakan, MIDC, Pune, we operate at the heart of India's key industrial hub for rapid pan-India delivery. With complete export-ready operations and CE and ISO 9001:2015 certifications, our components guarantee seamless integration into European and global markets. Send your requirements or technical drawings to Fiable Hydraulics today. Let's build reliable hydraulic solutions together.